Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can animate image in Filmora. For that, let's import our image and video file to our Filmora project. Now drag this video to our timeline, and in the next video layer, add the image and extend it in the first video. Alright, there are two ways you can animate an image in Filmora. First is an easy one. Simply double click on it, go to animation and choose from whether preset animation or preset legacy. Choose any one of them and it will be added to the place where your playhead is. So if you double click on it, this animation will be added to the beginning of the video. So double click on it. So that's how it will be animated. The second way is, okay, let's clear this first, add our video and image again to our timeline, extend it. Alright, the next method is double click on it, go to basic, and here transform or rotate, or you can mix both of them. Transform works by either shifting the position from one place to other like this, and there is also an option to zoom in and out using the scale. Rotate works by rotating this image. For example, if I do click this diamond shape and do, let's say, 60 degrees, it will be rotated by 60 degrees. That's how it works. All right, so let's create a smooth animation. First, let's start with smaller image that we can do by transform. Click on this diamond shape and change this 100 to maybe just 60. Press enter. So from this, we're gonna keep rotating it. In the next animation frame, again double click on it. Now the rotation should 180. Okay, again third one, double click on it. Now the rotation, maybe we forgot to click on this diamond shape in the former. Let's say now we want it to be 270 degrees. All right, don't forget to click on this diamond. 270 diamond shape is selected. Okay, so finally let's do double click on 360. All right, okay, that's for the rotation. Let's see how it looks like just with the rotation.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers to the bars where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. We talk up.
Okay, now if you want to zoom in this video, let's go beginning. We've already set it, the transform scale to 60%. Now let's do 100% in the middle. Transform, press enter. Okay, now again let's switch it to 60% around here. On it, transform, let's check back to it, double click on it, let's switch it back 60 and press enter. Okay, and finally again back, press enter, turn this diamond shape. All right, okay, so let's check our video for the final time.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers to the bars where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. We talk camera.
Okay, that's how cool, right? So you can play around and get the animation you want either by the ready-made presets or by using the basic and adjusting the transform and rotate. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future video updates similar to this one. Until next time, bye-bye.